Hello, this is Brian Galbraith. This is a short tutorial on how to use Google Hangouts for video conferencing. First thing you need to do is create a Google account. So I just Googled that issue and came up with create a Google account. So I just Googled how to create a Google account and got this nice little video. So you set up a Google account, and that enables you to have a Google Plus account as well. So once you've done that, you log into Google Plus, and there's the website address for it. It's plus.google.com. Once you do that, you log in with your username and password that you've created, and then your name should show up right around the top here, as you can see with mine. Now, of course, to be able to use Google Hangouts video chats, you need a webcam and a microphone system. Logitech has some great systems. They're quite affordable and useful. So now, once you log into Google Plus, and you see your name up there, then you can see this symbol here with the quote signs. That's Google Hangouts. So if you have anybody that's also in Google, signed up for Google, then you can connect with them and make them your friends. So you will do that to anybody you want to have a chat with. You need to connect with them. So I want to have a chat with my wife, Nicole, right now, just to demonstrate how it works. So I type in her name, and there's her name on the list, and you'll see that underneath it, there's a green line. That means she's online on Google Plus, and I'm going to be able to chat with her. So I just click on that. Now I could add as many people as I want to that Google chat, but I'm just wanting to meet with Nicole, so I do that. And then you come down here, you see the little sign that looks like a camera. Well, you click on that, and that starts the chat. So you get this screen. There I am. Hello, Nicole. Now we're just waiting for Nicole to answer. And then I can show you a little bit about Google Hangout chat. So you could have, I think it's up to 100 people chatting. There's Nicole. Hi, Nicole.
Hi.
Hi, Sophie.
Hi, Daddy.
So now we just want to demonstrate some things here that you can use on Google Chat. On the top left, you can see there's this green button that's screen share. So I can press that button and then I can share my screen. So I'm clicking that, and that's the screen I want to share. And then I press Start Screen Share. And now Nicole can see what's on my screen. So I can pull up a document in Word. Let's just set that up there. Okay, so Nicole is now seeing the document in Word, and I'll just show you what she can see. So that's my desktop, and I can type away, and she can see it. Can you see that okay, honey?
Yes, I can. And if I click on the bottom right, then I can see your face instead of the document.
Okay. And then, so I'm just going to exit out of that. And to get out of screen share, you go back up to screen share and click on that, and that takes you out of screen share again. So that's a really nice thing to do. Now, when you're sharing the screen, nobody can type on it. Only you can type on it. But there is a way to have a document created on Google Drive that everyone can type on at the same time. So if you go down to this symbol, this, I don't know what it is, a triangle, you click on that, that takes you to Google Drive. And so then you can create a shared notes here. She says, show your email address. Yeah. So there, I've created a note. Now, can you see that, Nicole?
So I'm clicking on the Google Drive.
Yeah.
And on, it says Hangout and it says Hangout Notes. So if I click on that, it asks me if I want to share my email address. So I hit open.
Yeah. What does it say on the screen?
It says testing, and it shows me that you're typing.
Right. So can you type a little something there, Nicole? So it shows I'm able to type, but there's Nicole's cursor. She's able to type on that document as well. So we can type at the same time and create a document together. Now it's called a Google document, so it's formatted a little bit different, but at least you can do that. Now, if you want to upload documents, you press Add, and then you go over to the thing that says Upload, of course, and then you can select a file from your computer. So here's life insurances clauses for separation agreements, and that's going to be uploaded to the computer. So I just press upload. And now, do I want to share it? Yes, I want to give access, so I'm going to say yes. And so now, can you see that document, Nicole?
Yes, I can. I'm just clicking on it, and it has opened up in my screen.
So now we can both amend this document, and there's also ways to set it up as just a Word document, so that it's not changed into a Google document. That's really important when you're uploading it, to make sure that it's saved as the proper format.
I edit this document. Will it change it on your computer on the original file?
Not on my computer itself, but where it's saved on the Google Drive. So any changes that you make are instantly saved on Google Drive. So today, I don't know why it's flashing back and forth. Sometimes it does that. It's very odd, but normally it doesn't. So now it's not flashing. So if you load up a Word document and you want to save it in that format, you cannot change it with other people cannot change it. You can only upload it and download it. But you can upload it, and then I could upload it, and then you could download it onto your computer and make changes in Word, Nicole, and then you can upload it to Google Drive. I can then download it, make changes in Word, and then upload it. So those are Word documents, but if it's a Google document, you can both work with it at the same time. So it's pretty cool. So you can have as many people on this video chat call as you want. I'm just going to get rid of Google Drive so we can talk again. If you want to only have one person on the screen at a particular time, you just click on their screen. So you can see how down there the blue frame is around my small screen. That means that it doesn't matter if Nicole talks or not, it won't switch back and forth. But if I go like that, then I'm back to Nicole and Sophie. So it just depends on what you want to do. But if you have multiple people talking, you can leave it like if you have several people here, what will happen is Google Hangout will move from person to person, whoever's talking. So that's kind of neat if you're having a conversation and you want to, talk to various people at different times. It's a good idea just to leave it so that it can float back and forth. But sometimes you just want one person to be talking and showing you their screen, so you can click on their screen if you want to do that. And the other thing I think over here is a little chat. So Nicole, can you see? I'm going to just on the top left, there's a blue chat button. So I'm just going to send Nicole a message. Hi, Nicole. Whoops. So did you see that chat, Nicole?
Yes, I did. I replied.
Right. So there you go. So you can have little side conversations while you're on the video call if you want to do so. So that's about it. I mean, you can add photos or take pictures and do different things like that. But, I'm not sure, that's very useful. There's Google Drive again. There's screen share. You can pick a screen to share with the people. So, oh, did you just take a picture?
Yes.
Okay. So there's Nicole. She just took a picture, or I took a picture. I'm not sure what happened. Anyway, there's lots of different features to it. I haven't even experimented with all of them, but it's pretty useful. So now I'm just going to say goodbye to Nicole and Sophie, and I'm going to end this video. So thanks for your help, Nicole.
You're welcome.
Bye, Sophie.
Bye, Dada.
So I hope this has been useful.